Well, hello there from ProMed Eye Health. I'm Linda Bertie, and guess what? It's a late Friday afternoon and I'm in the office all by myself. Well, except for my buddy Rip. And Rip and I thought we would get together because we've had this question numerous times. How do you put in BioDrop MD Spray? So we're going to do it together and I'm going to show Rip how to do it. Right, Rip? Okay, so when you open up the box and you'll see the spray looks like this. So obviously you have to take this off and then you prime it like you have to do with all sprays. So prime it until it gets to the point where it's gonna spray out. Here's the little trick. There's sort of a governor on it. So you press it almost all the way and you can see there's still a little bit of way to go before the spray comes out. That gives people the opportunity to position it on their closed eye, 6 to 8 inches, and then not have to depress the sprayer all the way down. It's just a little option. But a lot of people will go like this and say, then they hit that stopping point, that first stopping point, and they go, oh, it's not working. It's not working. Yeah, you just have to press it a little bit further and it'll work. So that's how you put this fabulous product on your eyes, closed eye, relieves your eyelids right away, blink, 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 and some of the incredible product goes onto your cornea. Okay? Easy when you're hiking, playing golf, on your screen for a long time. Our grandkids use it too because they're on their screens. So, right, Rip? Rip and I are gonna say bye for now. And if you have any questions, look at our website, promedihealth.com, or please feel free to give us a call, 1-888-851-0009. Your vision is our vision. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.